Hello dreamers, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to see how to make a jewelry box using the popsicle stick. So we need popsicle, pair of scissors and hot glue gun. If you need, you can add some decorations. So I will only make the jewelry box for you. So we will move on to the steps. So I have taken 6 popsicles. So this will be my length and width. So I'm going to paste all together. So I will paste all and will be back. So I finished pasting this. So we will leave this aside. And now I'm going to take 6 pegs. And I'm going to cut this in an oval shape. Like this. Not in an oval shape, sorry. In a semi-circle shape. Like this. So I'm placing this and I'm going to cut it this way so that it will come in both this sides. So we will need 2 sets of this. So I will cut and I will come back. So I cut like this. The corner ones I have cut into half, and these ones about leaving these sides out. The last one a small bit out. So it depends on the height you want. So now I'm going to paste this. So I pasted the last one also. So it should be in this method. So now I'm going to do 2 of this and we'll be back. So now I made 2 of this and I'm going to paste both in this way. So I'm going to leave a bit outside so it look more nice. So there you go. Now I'm going to stick 2 sticks in the front to make it more secure. So there you go. So now we are going to make a cover for this. I will keep this aside. I'm taking some more sticks. I'm going to keep on pasting in this way until I reach the size which I have to cover. So from here you go all the way up and until this point. So I will be pasting that and we'll be back. So I made this. I started bending here, so that's easy. So it's into this measurement. So now I'm going to paste the back part of it. So this will be the opening. So I'm going to paste the back part. So there you go, you got this. So you can close it like this. You can decorate with ribbon, you can paste flowers, so whatever you want. And you can put a button over here. Hope you like the video. If you like, give a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment down below. I will see you all on the next video. Bye dreamers.